and welcome. It is July 26, 2013. We are live in Markets World, and what I'm doing is just testing out a Bollinger Band strategy. I'm just trying to test different strategies and get a feel for, what'll work best for me, personally speaking. So right now, I took a put option on the Euro USD, taking the bounce move off the Bollinger Band, because usually when the price moves outside the band, it's an indicator that the price is overbought or oversold at the bottom of the band, or overbought at the top of the band. Now we see the price is kind of moving up against this right now. It'd be interesting to see if this is a wick or this is actually a candle moving up. We tested this level several times, so this could be making a move up now. And I'm just looking for a move outside the Bollinger Band and then a move back inside. Looks like it's kind of just fluctuating right now. We have about 3 minutes to go on this trade, so we'll see if this ends up being out of the money or in the money. Either way, we may continue to trade because we're trading live. And right here we see a little bit of a wick right here. Here's a wick outside the Bollinger Band, which is really the most ideal setup. When you start seeing a wick outside the Bollinger Band, there's a good chance it could go down. And then on the 15-minute chart, I'm sure you can see moves outside the Bollinger Band, and the price kind of moved down. Usually that's just what happens when the price moves outside the band. So once again, staring at that 5-minute chart, gives us a better idea of where the price could end up in the short term from 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm testing right now. I am trading the demo account for now, and just going to trade it for a bit just to kind of get a feel for, see what this strategy plays out like. Won a few other trades using this Bollinger Band strategy. Here was a trade that I won here on the British Pound USD, the dollar pound. See this put option here, and the price move made its way down. It's moved outside the Bollinger Band. And right now we can see on the Euro USD that the price is being moved down. We have this another large wick right here. So this may be a winning trade. We don't know yet, but it looks really good in terms of being a winning trade. It could go down, but once again, we're just looking for that play outside the Bollinger Band and a move down. We just took this trade, and just to show you what I saw before I took the trade, I saw this wick right here. A lot of people, once again, want to know about entry point. And we just saw it moved outside this top pink band. And to add the Bollinger Band to your chart, you go to Indicators, Trend, then Bollinger Bands. Click that. The period I put at 20, and then I go with a color that's recognizable to me, and then click OK. And then you would end up with this pink band right here. So this trade is looking pretty good. I'm just trying to get in the habit of taking trades only during primary trading hours, because in the evening times, I'm noticing that I go on losing streaks on my live account. So it's just being smart and staying with your percentages, 2 to 5% per trade, no matter how much you put in. Because if you do that, you can put the percentages in your favor. If you're winning 7 out of 10 trades consistently, week in and week out, eventually it's going to put the percentages in your favor, which helps when you're trying to trade. So we're looking pretty good on this trade. Looks like it did end up being a winning trade here on the Euro USD. We once again are trading the Bollinger Band. The profit is 76%. Payout was $17.60. Strike price was 132,873. Expiry price was 132858. So we made the right prediction in the right way, and we're about 80%, about 90%, 85% for the last 9 trades. So I may take one more trade to close the day out, and I'm just gonna walk away. You know, we talk about this all the time. It's always talked about all the time on binaryoptiontrading.com to just take your trade and just walk away, as well as I talk about it on my own blog as well, and not try to force anything. Because when you keep trading and trading and trading, you could lose and lose and lose, and then before you know it, your account is gone. So, but I would say the biggest tip I can give to any new trader is to just simply stick with trading 10% of your total deposit. I'm sorry, 2 to 5% of your total deposit. So if you deposit $500 with a broker, only trade between $10 and $25. That's the best way to go. If you, depending on the deposit amount that you deposit, and that'll give you a good balance. This Bollinger Band, I think the reason why the Bollinger Band can be another strategy that works well is because when you have these moves outside the Bollinger Band, notice how the price kind of pushes up, even though it keeps going down. On the longer time frame, all we need is a nice little bounce outside the Bollinger Band on a 5-minute chart, and we can get that move back in, and hopefully in the money. So once you see it go out the Bollinger Band, like right here, if you'd have gotten in on this wick put option trade for a 5-minute expiry time, you'd be a very happy person, because this is a nice move outside the Bollinger Band. Same thing right here and right here. I could have took additional trade right here, would have won that trade. Saw a nice little wick outside the Bollinger Band. This is the resistance area that we have marked in green, representing the 5-minute time frame. So I color coordinated each time frame to help me. So let's just, okay, so we have 8 minutes to go on this video. I'm trying to make once again another live trade. I'm trying to catch a live trade, and that way I can offer some I guess insight on what I look for. Smart areas to take trades is what it comes down to. It really just comes down to taking the best trades possible in the right spots and timing it correctly. Once you can consistently do that, whether you can consistently profit from Forex trading, it's good to trade good market hours, because we know, of course, the price is going to be manipulated. There's always a dark side to everything. So you don't want to be trading it during times where hedge funds and stuff can control the market.